When she looked at me, I know the girl sees things nobody else can see. All of the secret bursts inside, and all the craziness I had. She looked into my soul and read me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believed in that faith is something I never know before. Come what may, she loves me.